Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 7 days in a week. Let's start. M O N D A Y Monday. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. F R I D A Y Friday. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. S U N D A Y Sunday. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned to learn more.